Done.
All right, here we are in homeroom. Just scan the room real quick. Wait, no, don't do that. Don't do that. All right, we have sixth graders in the room. Sixth graders, make some noise.
Hi.
That wasn't very good, but wait till you see this unboxing. All right, so let's just start. Clipboards. All right. Whoa, 3 clipboards. I thought this was a super clipboard with too many clips, but it's 3 different clipboards. All right, pretty good, pretty good. What? Disinfectant wipes. Christmas came early, you guys. Oh, wow. I don't know if we're allowed to see this in class, but it is America, so I'm going to celebrate my Second Amendment right for a tape gun.
Oh.
Look at this. Not only is it a tape gun, this one's great because you can go.
That's pretty neat.
You can tape really quickly, all right? And there's an extra roll just to, keep it ready.
Ugh.
That's a whiteboard. Ooh, it's got a magnet.
Ooh.
Hold on a second. This is not only an unboxing, this is an opening, unpackaging, whatever. Who used to watch unboxing videos? Whoever watched an unboxing? Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, let's see if the magnet works.
Oh.
Boom.
Oh.
Upside down.
Not too strong.
Boom.
Oh.
Boom.
Yeah. Let's see how this thing is.
Test it out.
Hold on a second. Subscribe.
So I can get some.
Smash that like button. Watch this. Let's see how this baby handles.
Right.
Whoa! It kind of erased it. All right, all right. You're supposed to clap for that. All right, here we go. Are you guys ready for comically large sticky notes?
Yes. My favorite.
Oh, green. Those are cool, right?
Comically large.
Orange.
Ooh.
But wait, there's more. Yellow. I said yellow.
Yellow.
That was pretty good. All right, here we go. This is the garbage from earlier. Oh no. Oh, gel pens in multiple colors. I can't wait to put grades all over your papers. Just wait. No comments. No comments.
What's a gel pen?
A gel pen? It's made with leftover jelly.
Okay.
It stains. Magic erasers.
Magic erasers.
These, if you have white Crocs or any light color, then it won't work. I mean, it'll work on those, but you know what I mean. Don't look at his shoes. These are really good at cleaning things. Oh, wait, we can't do that. Okay, more tape.
More tape. Let's go.
But this is not packing tape. This is non. Oh, super pack of Expo markers.
Oh, excellent.
Let's see what else we got. Oh.
What
Guys, a World of Color Cape Town collection. What?
Yeah.
Cape Town collection. Look at this.
Oh my god.
This is called the cabinet pack. You know why?
Why?
You put these in your cabinet and you forget that they're there. And you buy more. And then you find them. Yeah, cabinet pack.
Hey, you got
Listen
two.
to all the positivity that's going to be on these sticky notes. All right, we're running out of space. Highlighters?
Ooh.
Oh wait, they're chisel tip. Yeah, let's hear it for chisel tip. When I say chisel, you say tip. Chisel.
Tip.
Chisel.
Tip.
Chisel.
Tip.
Wow. This is great. All right, guys. Ultra washable.
Oh.
They're so washable they don't even show up on anything. They just don't leave a
Show.
mark.
Yeah.
That's how washable they are. Right?
Yeah.
And are there crayons? It's just all markers.
The
All
crayons.
markers, everything.
I don't think crayons are erasable, Snapper.
They
Crayons could be erasable.
Anything's erasable if you try hard enough.
Yeah.
And last but definitely not least,
Another big sticky note.
stickers! Guys, 5,100 stickers, and you're wondering what's in here? It doesn't matter. It's an awesome assortment.
Yeah.
What kind of assortment?
Awesome.
When I say assortment, you say assortment, assortment.
Assortment. Assortment. Assortment.
You can't spell assortment without awesome.
Yeah.
Assortment. All right, that's it.
Yeah. Oh.
All right.
Alright.
stop the camera.